What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be fitting the carbon fibre plenum from Carbo project, which is in Germany. I've just got to remember how it all goes back inside. So this is what it looks like. Obviously from scratch. I've got to put it all back together. I'll also have the e92 intake system for it. So first off, all in all, this cost £870. I paid £40 shipping to Germany with my original plenum, and £158 back to receive it. So all in all, about 1,100, just over that, for this, which is half the price of an e92 one. For me, it does exactly the same thing. It looks near enough the same, and it sounds exactly the same. So for half the money, it's a no-brainer. So I'll drop the link in the description if you check them out. So obviously when you take it on and off, you've got obviously 8 of these, and you've got like a little groove on this rail, and basically the last 2 are a real bitch to get. So my theory is, if I put this sort of sockets on first, I've got like an adjustable one there, and then the same on the other side. Just stuff some polyfiber or steroid down there just to make sure that doesn't drop down, because them last 2 ones are a bastard. So the idea is to push it on first and then work our way forward. Obviously we've got to connect this sensor at the back, this sensor at the bottom, and then this temperature sensor on the side. But it's just this one here, and that one at the back can be a bit of a bitch. So basically I have to take it all back out again, but that back bit there is the clip, is an absolute bastard. Now I've got to tighten it all up. So update, it's taken me a lot longer than I thought it was going to do. I ended up stripping off this whole back bit, which isn't too hard. It's just a couple of bolts, probably about 6 bolts in total. And then this metal bar here. If you release this metal bar, you get good access to the back where that annoying sensor is, which was a real bastard. I've seen in some forums that people were saying it's really hard to get the plenum back in place. But honestly, if you take that back bit out, you'll save yourself a lot of time. But yeah, so I've got that on now. I'm going to reattach all of this on the back. Stick that bad boy back on, and then we're good to go. So now everything is back on. Obviously, just reattach the 2 bolts to that, and reattach the spark plug covers either side. Pretty much straightforward. And then now obviously I'm going to do the e92 intake, which I've already done on the previous video. I'm knackered, I'm absolutely fucked.